many people it's not that according to what I got, the report of all the votes from all the polling station, it didn't tally. Yeah. So it looks like, I don't know. Where things went wrong, I just don't know.
Tommy, did you expect the result to be this way?
No. Not at all.
What do you think really went wrong?
I can't say. I don't know anymore. What can I say? I have no say about that. Okay? Because I never expected that it would be so bad. So,
Do you accept the people's mandate?
yeah. Let's see. Yeah. When you see. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. No, it's okay. No,
Okay.
no, it's okay.
Begitu, Pak.
Hello. Kami ada result from around from the by-election of Angola constituency. Kami ada result from around 1, round 2, dan round 3. Belajar pun bukan tunggal. Dan United Democratic Party dua maju. Pakistan lalu dengan Indian National Congress dua partai kembali. Berjuang dari Bharatiya Janata Party dua nampak satunya ukur. Berjuang of one set, People's Democratic Front dua ada apa macam. Great Rally Kabudi Independent ada lupa Nagoi. Dengan kajian independent lain Pak A. Lupa kita tahu. Itu